you don't have a plan. So that goes hand in hand with a clear direction. One of the points that I talked about earlier, you don't have a clear direction, so you cannot design a plan. So if you don't have a plan, you don't know that to become an accountant, to become a dancer, to become a writer, these are the steps you need to go through. You need to follow. You need to study this, you need to get this certification, you need to create an outline, you need to reach out to some publishers, you need to have an agent that can help you to do this, to do that. When it comes to the actual writing process, you need to set a goal, writing 5 pages a day, writing 5 pages a month, whichever works for you. But you know, you have a plan. You know that, okay, I'm gonna do step 1. Step 1 is this, step 2 is that, and all those steps will lead me to this, and over time to that. So depending on the goal you have, you have a plan that is possible that you can design. But you have a plan, have a clear direction, and then you can at least have something that can bring you there. Whether it works or not, usually you're gonna have to be flexible to adapt to changes, because what you envision in mind is not what's happening on the field. So be prepared with that. Be prepared to that. But at least you have a plan, and you're not gonna end up too far from what you had envisioned. It's going to be, most people that I heard said, oh, what happened was actually better than what I envisioned. But that's because they have been very consistent, very hard workers, and everything.